Imagine a frosting so creamy, smooth, and rich, yet completely dairy-free. Vegan buttercream frosting can be a game-changer for your cakes and cupcakes. But achieving that perfect texture and flavor takes a little know-how. Today, we'll walk through 7 must-know tips to help you create the perfect vegan buttercream frosting and avoid the most common mistakes. The foundation of your frosting starts with the right vegan butter. Not all vegan butters are created equal. Some contain more water, making the frosting runny, while others are firmer, perfect for piping. Look for vegan butters made for baking, like Earth Balance or Miyoko's Kitchen. They're known for their creamy, rich texture. Before mixing, let your butter come to room temperature so it blends smoothly with sugar. This simple step helps you achieve that silky, spreadable consistency every baker dreams of. Getting the sugar-to-fat ratio right is key to a perfect buttercream. A good rule of thumb is 1 part vegan butter to 2 parts powdered sugar. For example, use 1 cup of vegan butter and 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar. Sifting removes clumps and gives you that velvety texture. If your frosting feels too thick, add a splash of almond milk. Too runny? Add more powdered sugar until it firms up. The goal: a frosting that's sweet, creamy, and holds its shape without feeling heavy. Now, let's bring your buttercream to life with flavor. Vanilla extract is a classic choice, but why stop there? Add almond extract, cocoa powder, or even lemon zest for a bright twist. And for balance, a pinch of sea salt works wonders. It cuts through the sweetness beautifully. You can even blend in a spoonful of almond or peanut butter for a rich, nutty depth. Get creative. The right flavor combination can make your vegan frosting unforgettable. Whipping your frosting properly gives it that light, airy texture we all love. Start by beating the vegan butter until creamy, then slowly add in your powdered sugar. Begin at low speed to avoid sugar clouds, then increase to high for 2 to 3 minutes until the frosting lightens in color and texture. Be careful not to over-whip. It can turn watery. If it becomes too soft, just chill it for a few minutes or add more sugar to firm it up. If your buttercream feels too soft, a short chill can work wonders. Refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes until it firms up slightly. Be sure not to over-chill. It shouldn't become rock hard. If it does, simply re-whip it for a few seconds to restore its creamy texture. For best results, chill your mixing bowl and beaters before starting, especially in warm kitchens. The right tools make all the difference when decorating with vegan buttercream. Start with quality piping bags and decorating tips. A round tip is perfect for simple swirls, while decorative tips create beautiful designs. Keep your bag half-filled for control, and try using a coupler so you can switch tips easily. Want to impress? Add food coloring in layers to create stunning ombre effects. Once your vegan buttercream is ready, proper storage is key. Keep it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. Before using again, let it come to room temperature and give it a quick whip. Need to store it longer? Freeze it in portions for up to 3 months. When you're ready to use it, thaw overnight in the fridge and re-whip until fluffy. Label your containers so your frosting stays fresh and ready whenever inspiration strikes. And there you have it. 7 essential tips for perfect vegan buttercream frosting. From choosing the right butter to mastering your mixing and storage, these small details make a big difference. With a little practice, you'll be creating beautiful, dairy-free desserts that everyone will love. Be sure to check out this video for more.